Hello. So we're going to be presenting our Cookly app today for the final presentation.
My name's Noah Lemberry. I'm the UI, UX, and full stack developer.
I'm Abhinav. I'm the front-end developer.
And I'm Ephraim, and I'm also the front-end developer.
And I'm Rad Farouk, the backend and database engineer.
So just as a basic introduction, I'm just going to go through what our project is. So Cookly is an end-to-end social media platform for chefs and aspiring chefs of all levels of expertise. We provide an integrated platform for users to upload, share, and explore different recipes that they may be interested in, or recipes that they want to get interested in. So we're built to sustain this vibrant community of different contributors, chefs, consumers, and just interactivity in general, where we have a inbuilt comment system that we're working on and we'll have for production soon. We use React Native on our implementation side to build the UI, Nest.js to interface with MongoDB and Cloudinary for the database and all of this to create this great mobile application that elevates everyday cooking into a form of social and artistic engagement and expression so that different people can um yeah, sorry, I had a 2 hour meeting this morning and my camera burnt up or something. It's not,
Oh,
yeah, sorry. Um
so if
do,
you can like turn on your camera somehow, I'm sorry, I just like need to
yeah,
have that on to
yeah,
be able
yeah.
to cut it.
Midway through I'll join through my phone just to show my face, I guess.
Okay.
Um
Yeah, that'd be nice. Thank you.
yeah. So yeah, back into the presentation, chefs of any expertise will have the opportunity to dive into this application and engage with the world of cooking and with other creators to just join this community. Yeah, so as far as our value proposition, we want to improve the entire cooking sphere and like social media in general, to give this new outlet for different chefs and promote cooking creativity and interaction with these creators. And there's a lot of different social medias, even several that fit this niche, but we believe that our UI and our system in general is optimized to promote like engagement in general, and it's very user friendly, has the capacity to evolve, very scalable in general. And our team's very dedicated. We're willing to do whatever is necessary to make this app as good as possible. So we have it sounds very abstract, but our product is not just an application, but like an idea. And our idea is to obviously foster this really great community that cannot be found anywhere else on the internet.
Okay, so now we have like some of the technical debt that we accrued during the development process. Some of the promised features, such as like the personalized feed curating, advanced storage, and content filtering, were not able to be implemented due to time constraints, as well as some of the like AI-powered recipe suggestions and smart tagging, which we initially planned to do with the Gemini API and are still able to do it. It's just going to take some kind of like overhaul of the UI, which we weren't able to do. But the feed currently does show like the most popular videos by views, likes, and comments, but it's not personalized based on like how people interact, but at least the most popular ones will show up first. Um, Also, when it comes to the React Native code, some of the UI components were kind of hard coded or rushed, so some of them have some inconsistent styling, and some of the code is not like as reusable as it could be. So we could definitely do some refactoring to make it more modular in the future and to make it easier to continue development. Um, there's also some limited validation, error handling, and there was no like automated testing done, which were some trade-offs that we had to make for faster delivery. But we did have some testing, such as like in Postman, just checking requests. Um, and for the cloud native integration, it works well for like videos, images, but for the profile pictures, when people change their profiles, they actually have to be manually deleted. They aren't deleted automatically. But that's about it for the technical debt.
Yeah. So as we look to the future of Cookly, we're already thinking about how we can expand the app's capabilities and deepen the user experience. And these are our stretch goals, the features we plan to explore post-launch. So for the first one, we wanted to implement that advanced recipe recommendation system, and this would be powered by machine learning. The whole idea of it is to personalize each other's feed over time based on the user's interactions things like what they liked, disliked, and their viewing habits. So Cookly could become smarter as you use it and recommend the things that you want to see on your feed. Next, we'd also kind of mentioned previously the AI chatbot integration. And so this is another way we would sort of implement that AI, and this could offer a natural, more conversational support, answering questions like, what can I substitute for butter? Or how many calories are in this meal? And this would be aware of any dietary restrictions you might have, so it can provide tailored guidance in real time. And then lastly, we could also explore the feature expansions, such as community-created recipe collections, where users can create and share themed playlists. And even this cool one that Ryan brought up a couple months ago, grocery delivery integration, with platforms such as Instacart, making it so, you see a recipe and you can add that to your cart and it'll be on the way to your house. So together, these stretch goals take Cookly from just a recipe app to a more intelligent version of that, and that's sort of our goal for the next a few periods of making this app and developing it. Can't hear
Yeah,
you.
for the demo. Wait, I have to stop sharing, don't I?
Yeah, if you could stop sharing, because I'm gonna start sharing on my phone.
Okay,
And so,
you should be good.
right. All right, you guys can see this, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when you log into, well, when you open Cookly, this is the first page you'll see. So for now, we'll go to the sign up. We'll create a new user name. Let's just say Annie123. Your email is going to be Annie123@gmail.com, and password Annie123. So this will create the account. Oh, okay. Username is taken.
Yeah.
Annie1234. Create account. So here is the profile page, where you can change your profile picture, saved recipes, your uploads. So let's take a look at the feed now. So this is what the main feed looks like, where we've got curated.
Was a little taken
videos.
aback. I wasn't aware that they knew what
Scroll.
SpaghettiOs
Oh my
were.
gosh.
You weren't aware. I grew
It's
up eating
so
food
loud.
that tasted a lot better than what you grew up eating. So I decided to.
Oh my God.
Was that too loud?
Yes.
Okay. But there, so yeah, now you know there is sound.
Right.
So you're able to like videos, and keep scrolling, and you can even, there's even a search feature. So let's say we want to find a recipe with chicken. So we search for chicken, and let's see what happens. Oh, the chicken recipe. Any title with chicken in it will show up, and this is also a scrollable page.
Awesome.
Anyways, let's say that you're somebody who wants to actually upload a video. So all you have to do is click on the plus right here, choose a video. So we've got some videos ready right here. Beef, and then you can add a description, which is optional, but we'll just say beef Wellington.
So does the name of the video change the way you have to search it up, or is it the description that you
It's
like
the
look through?
description. The description.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
And so we'll hit upload. And so right now what it's doing is it's uploading it to Cloudinary, and then we are actually able to access. So it should already be on the main feed. So we'll scroll down to the main through the main feed, and we'll see if it's on here. Oh, well, this was a separate normal video, but if you search, let's see the beef Wellington, it should come up. There it is.
Perfect.
And so you're able to leave a like, and yeah, that is pretty much our demo. On to the next part.
Share it again.